Get a feel for the 2024 Hyundai Kona Electric. Take a closer look at this stylish and versatile Kona Electric. This future-facing subcompact crossover brings an impressive range, tech-savvy connectivity, touchscreen infotainment, a comfortable cabin, and a fresh spirit of adventure to every drive. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, moonroof, navigation system, heated mirrors, satellite radio, cooled front seat, power liftgate, steering wheel audio controls. Feel the energy of a new generation in this stylish and versatile Kona Electric. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.